So my idea with the 100-day art challenge is to limit the amount of time that I work on a certain piece. In some cases, like this one here, the first day was doing the drawing. The second day was for the painting, and this one is for me to doodle. Now I'm going to use my Uniball Signo 0.28. You may have seen me use this pen before. I like it because it's more like a ballpoint pen, and the tip is really fine, but it's harder, so the wear and tear on the nib is a lot better. And you can use whatever pattern you like to do. It's all up to you. So in the previous video, I asked what the person or family who lives in here, what do they do for a living? And I asked where the bird was coming from before it landed on the house. So have you come up with anything? Let me know in the comments section below. And some curly cues for my clouds. And a border for my windows. And don't worry if your lines are a little wonky, so are mine. A few leaves and the tree, not many. And a bit of pattern in the background. Again, just messing around. This pattern is a great filler. You can vary the direction and size and density. Okay. A little bit of, I like this, cobblestone. Kind of a rustic look. Okay. Maybe the bird likes the curly hues on the roof. That's why it's looking at it. And a little bit of brickwork on the chimney. And maybe a little bit of detail on the curtains. And the door. Maybe an archway, because you know me, I like arches. And I want to use a little bit of my gold paint here for the doorknob knob. Sorry about that. Let's get a little bit wet. Now you can't see it, but it's there. And because a little gold goes a long way, and I don't know when to stop. Gold in the bushes, because why not? After all, this is your home or tiny house. You can use it however you want. Just do a bit of gold here on the roof. And don't worry, we're going over the lines that I'm obliterating with the gold paint. It's okay. Maybe the bird likes the gold as well. Because I think certain animals like shiny things. Mm-hmm. Okay, looking good so far. I will let the gold become more dry, and I will be back.